contracts were up 17.6% last week as available inventory dropped. It's Friday, July 7th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. There are 1,111 homes for sale on the shore, reflecting a drop in active inventory. Only 93 homes are poised to hit the market soon. 136 homes came to the market over the past week. 73 went under contract and 71 went pending. 148 properties sold in 10 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in St. Michael's, a waterfront, for $2,150,000. There are 62 homes for lease at a median $1,995 per month, which has been steady over these past several weeks. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, July 7th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.